In this video, we're going to edit frequency of a brainwave program stage. We're going to start by opening the Morning Coffee Explore stack in the Composer. Then we'll edit the Morning Coffee brainwave program. When we're done, we'll save our customized program and stack. We'll tap Search at the top of the main screen to find the Morning Coffee stack. Now, type Morning into the search field. We found two Explore stacks. Let's select Morning Coffee from the results. The Now Playing button shows that the Morning Coffee stack has been loaded. Let's tap it to open it in the Composer. Let's expand the Brainwave program details and select the stage details to see its composition. We can see that it's a 4-stage program that begins with a mid-theta frequency, 6 Hz, modulated on a 120 Hz carrier tone. We're going to change this stage to use the higher Schumann theta frequency, 7.83 Hz, and the 396 Hz solfeggio carrier frequency. Tap the Program menu button and select Remix to load the program into the program editor. You can see two tutorial buttons on this screen. These are located throughout the app and will explain what the different buttons and settings do. Tap the tutorial button for more information. We'll exit the tutorial for now, but I encourage you to use these as you explore all of the app's features. Let's tap the Frequency button for the first stage and make our changes. The first field is the brainwave frequency. In binaural tone mode, this will be an inaudible beat induced in the brain stem. In monaural mode, it will be an audible pulse. Below, there are the carrier wave frequencies. Because this app can play any program in monaural or binaural mode, there are separate fields for the binaural and monaural carrier frequencies. When the stack is played in binaural tone mode, the binaural carrier will be used. When the stack is played in monaural tone mode, the monaural carrier will be used. The carrier frequency is the underlying tone you will hear when listening. The brainwave frequency is the modulation frequency applied to that tone. Stacks can also be played in isochronic mode. However, the isochronic carrier frequency must be precisely calculated due to the short, distinct shape of isochronic pulses. Let's begin by changing the brainwave frequency. We'll enter 7.83 Hz. The app will automatically calculate suitable carrier frequencies when we enter a brainwave frequency, but we can override those and enter our own. The screen will display an error if you enter a frequency that is too low or too high for a given brainwave frequency. Now, let's enter our 396 Hz solfeggio frequency into the binaural and monaural fields. This way, it will use our solfeggio tone in both binaural and monaural modes. Because isochronic tones are very sharp, distinct pulses, they use much higher carrier frequencies that must be precisely calculated. So if you listen to this program in isochronic mode, it won't use your custom solfeggio carrier. We can now save our changes. We can see that the stage has now been updated. We can also listen to a sample of what the stage will sound like in binaural and monaural modes. Let's save our customized program by opening the Program Editor menu and selecting Save. We'll name it Schumann Coffee. Now tap Save. We can now use this program in this stack and others as well. Let's tap back to return to the Stack Composer. We can see that our Schumann coffee program is loaded and that it's the first stage using the 7.83 Hz frequency on a 396 Hz carrier tone. If we need to make any further changes, we can tap the Program menu button and then select Edit to open the program in the Program Editor. Let's go ahead and save this stack to My Stacks. Tap the Save button to save our customized stack. We'll call it Schumann Morning Coffee. Now tap Save. We've now created a custom program and a custom stack that uses it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.